Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get lower processes on Windows 11 so you can get faster performance on your PC. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first step, what I suggest to do here is to open up Task Manager and then go to Performance and look how many processes do you have on your computer. For me, currently it's 258. And the first step, what I suggest to do here is to go to Startup Apps and disable as many startup apps as possible that you know. Right, so for me, as you can see here, there is not plenty enabled, but Xbox, I need to disable it. Apple mobile device, let's disable. I believe that's pretty much it for me. But for you, if you know that you don't use certain apps, you can easily disable from a startup and it will help you a lot. Of course, if you don't know what exactly that particular task do, I suggest you do not disable it because maybe it can break your computer, right? So first of all, just startup apps and disable all the apps that you know, right? The next step, what we need to do here is to go to settings. Then on settings, we need to open up a personalization here. Then go to taskbar, and on taskbar we need to disable widgets, task view, and everything here, right? Mostly widgets, but I like to disable everything here because I don't like any of the pictures here, but it's just my basically preference, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, we need to go to installed apps and delete apps that you don't use. So there is a lot of Windows installed apps. So for example, for Microsoft Teams, I do not use it. I can easily uninstall it. I don't use, as you can see here, Genshin Impact. And I don't use a lot of apps. So I just delete them one by one. Razer, I don't have a mouse anymore. I can delete, and as you can see there is plenty of apps that probably you don't use as well. So just go through the list and delete all the apps here. And after you uninstall everything that you don't use, the next step, what we need to do here is to go to apps. Then you need to go to apps for websites, and here also disable everything that you don't use. So I will disable everything here, and after you do so, you can go to another step. Another step is you need to go to gaming, then go to game bar and disable game bar. And also, if you do not record some sort of moments on gaming when you game, you can disable record what happened, capture audio recording, and everything here as well, right? Next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to privacy and security, then you need to go to general, and then also disable everything from here. Then go to privacy and security again, go to location, and then also disable everything from location that you don't use. So you can see here whether I'll use, but nonetheless it should be disabled, right? And the next step, what we need to do here, we need to open up a search. Just open up search, and then you just need to write here view advanced system settings, then go to advanced, then go to performance, and then select custom, and then just uncheck everything here except these three tasks. Just leave animations in the taskbar, show the thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of the screen fonts, then hit apply, okay. Then what you need to do here is to go to system configuration, then you need to go to services, then select all Microsoft services, and then just disable services that you don't use. Don't disable all, because it can break your computer or break your I don't know, internet. So what you need to do here is to just disable all the apps that you don't use anymore or you rarely use. So for example, these, Then let's select this one. I don't use Faceit, and then everything from Razer as well. And also you can always come back and enable them. It's just not a big deal, but nevertheless, I just like to disable everything that I just know, right? And then apply OK. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to task scheduler here, and also go to task scheduler library, and then disable all the tasks that you know. So you can, as you can see here, expand it, you can make it bigger, and then you can just click on the task, and it will tell you what it does. As you can see here, this task keeps your Adobe Reader and Acrobat applications up to date. So I don't use it, Adobe apps, so I can just end it, right click, end it. Then as you can see here, Razer, I don't use Razer anymore, so I can disable it. Then as you can see here, Overwolf, I don't use it as well. And just disable all the tasks that you know, or you can read it out and look what you can disable. And after you apply all these changes, you just need to restart your computer. And after that, changes should take effect, right? So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.